Ka Rural Craft and Engineering Division RCNE kala penlong ya ka Marketing and Promotional Workshop ba RCNE kyntiew halor kamat schemes on studies for promotion and strengthening of black pottery haka khat ar bat khat lai terik leber haka shnong tersyang bat Ranei West Jaintia Hills District. Haka jingalang pli ka balalong ha tersi in hakri tersi layadon lang u Joint Director Commerce and Industries Shillong uba ML Wanshnong kum ukongsan bat u General Manager ka DCIC Jawai uba B Warjeri kum usumbut kongsan. Kani ka projek ka day ka balabay tingka da katanat Commerce and Industries DCI ka Sarkar Jila bat la pentrekam da ka Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Rural Industrialization MGIRI Wardha Maharashtra ka baday ka Research and Development Institute ka bahapo ka Ministry of MSME ka Sarkar India. Ka jinghimu bakongsan jong kani ka projek ka long ban kyntiew ki kam karkhana ki ba penmi ya ki jingshna tenrai kumju ban kyntiew ya ka yo kahan bat penjur ya ka jing penmi ki tiar shnakti ne artisan ban penyo nong bat ban pli ya ki lat yo kam yo jam na ka benta ki nongshna bat ki nong seng kam la jong ha ki thain nong kendong. Kani ka tumuru ban pen khlanya ki jing trekam jong ki traish nong bat pli ki lat sengkam lengba ki sap ki phong tenrai ban kyntiew ki jing trekam lengba ka technology bat ya ki yo ki han bat ban wat ki lat ki linti ki bethamai. Nalor kata kani ka projek ka tumuru ban kyntiew kerpang ki nongshna khiew khendo ni black pottery ban kyntiew ki sap ki phong jong ki bat ban kyntiew ya ka jing penmi mar bat ban pen yo ki. U Joint Director Katanat Commerce and Industries ula ai khuble ki nong pyniaid halor ka jing kershan na ka benta ki ne ki nongshna bat ki nong thain khti khamtam ha ka bay dei bat ka jingshna ki ne ki khiew khendo hapo ka shnong larnai bat tersyang. Ula ong ru ba ki ne ki nongshna khti ki la yo jing mentoi shibon lengba ka ne ka program jinghikai bat na ki jing let jurip ban penpau ki sap ki phong bat ban yo jing mut shu ha ka bay dei bat ka ne ka kam. Nalor kata ukun turu ya ki neki nongshna khti bakin samlem ru ya ki jingtem bat ban yamir jingmut lang ya ki jingsham bat ya ki buj na ka benta ka jingmentoy jong ki babun. Karbana kaliang u Dr. K. Venkata Rao, Deputy Director of Rural Craft and Engineering, u pentip ba ka neka program ba arsngi ka thumu ban pensyai pat ba halor ki sienjam bat ki lat ba pher kumno ban penya yo bat ban kyntiew ya ki jingpenmi ya ki khiew bat ki we ki tiar balashna ka khendo.
Ngatap daga jing kemen ke bakrau banga warna kan ke por bangani ba filai bun kan de nangkong do ngakan mau ki program ki balalai ki don ki besi phongut ki don ki ba ar phongut ki don ki ban ru phongut mereka ni ketika sin ban nangkong ya bangani ba filai bun kan de de dang lawar wat benya he nga kali niki mulai arab ipi kiong pemerintah berkhoi nilai dalam cispa sepungut te hoj akan ke program kan projek bengila long yela pan mo babun hi kede lanai ka to kene tersyang te nagida bom lakiar la segi tersyang ro kim yesnok tilang bat ngi kene projek te jin ba kila walang segitu ngatra la pelat ya lai spa sospangun tom lele ski nginang kieu hi ki hakane ka kam te kalong ka mo ka ika sang ka babha ke mani hadu sispa chhongot ba layar don mo kalenti ni thu pi no kam de kam ka pasuk mo manta pila so thu ndai banong bas thu bania la kam so thu ka to kane hagane ka project ba pilong pi te pilawan training ka to kane plajet na liang jo pi mo pi banwan cha wada la sang tu atu ke institute la training mati su kalong gumno institute training no nata kilawan sebenarnya training hani snong jong pi ka bay appear na ka bay level ke mo ya ki artisan ya ki master trainer nangta ka banong kam do kalong ba ki la elam pi sekini ki exposure visit ke mo kini ki bru ki jaka ke ibun ud ki spa ke hajar itu cluster pi yang ni bidang red plat kidon cluster beduk san hajar ngot gidon bisna puteri ko Uttar Pradesh te play yang tu kumbang doktor pengetarau mana kumno mamaki ndai kiladun kita ki common facility center ma ki yang kisam ke babiang ki mesin materi ki yang dang long kerung keram nang dai ke ba mensuang no ngai pi ni ka project nang dai tang wasdang ni mo ke ki jeng persyang dong ye ko na kalian ka department commerce industries mo nang dai tang wasdang galenti udang jerong ba mo bagin ya lam lenti pi begin support yang persian mo ki kam per te ngatrai wat tang ini project belaya chisnem ro stu labon ba ke mo ki bala kala pe ki idea la ni ki jing tip batmai play bat kamtam ki so thu kum nu ki bru ki la imja na ni ka kam ke kalong full time job ki ong ma kim dang kam su man rap man riang man ri jing ri ne menteri wi kam thik tang ka kam snai ki ni ki kundo mo ki rai kila display ang to ba menta ki bru kila kali yang ngi ro mo de yang la kam i pher ni ki tiar man chua ki long clean be kum to tang khnien soi kila ro kila compare Ibu ki long ta ke ki nong thiet ru hap li benya hap pit na ko we por ne kum no ki jing internet de kum no ki jing pi chnai ki pier ki ba matmai ta ma te kelenting mo ngai phi ka dang dei kelenti ka jrong ba ma te ai be ki ber khoi ngen muti ho le no mo dang tha ro bon ku bon pyniaid i kelenti mo ha ka dei khanang ba kan ka kam ka bala nadu men merim ulai mo bala ponam kata ka larnai ba tersiang mo snai ni bukan umja kan bukan ya na ka wi ka pateng sa ka wi pat ba kumju ro mo ba kan nang klanju su mungkin la penmi kinu ki tiar ki batmai ke bat be khambun khanang ba kila man penim jai phi ke sundan mo bat men persang ka bala mengenetri kum ka group mo kita bagiong ke cluster approach ke khanang ba kalau wi ka ba hadien te ngila ban penmi bun ki tiar pangila ban penbiang cebar.
Divided this project in two phases. Phase 1 is completely study how many craftsmen there in Ranei, how many craftsmen there in Tichang, and there are lots of craftsmen who are not come in limelight. So in this part, we went to village, door to door in the villages, and we found out there are lots of craftsmen existing in the village, but a few people only practicing. Then, so we made a survey and we found the problem. What is the problem? What is the the main issues we need to concentrate and develop? So during the study we found there are lots of issues in that. So then we focused on that. Based on the survey, we made a deep DSR, diagnostic study report, submit to the ministry, Commerce and Department of Directorate of Commerce and Industries, and then based on that report, we designed a phase 2 activities. Then we thought, let's take it because we need to give lots of skill development training program because, for example, there are few people practicing, but there are lots of people who can do that. They're from their clan or some. So we target those people to involve more people in this craft. Then to give 70-80 people the training to the 70-80 people, of 2 people not enough. Then we decided, when we planned, bring some people to our institute. So 14 people we brought them. We given them trainers of training. The people who are already practicing there, we brought them. We taught them some new technologies, new production. Production point of view, using new machines and new designs. What are the products which is going in market? So it was for 20 days we have given the training to the people.